Coach Garrett here, and in this whiteboard talk, I'm going to talk about today's workout. So for today, we have a 15-minute E3MOM for our strength today, so that's 5 sets every 3 minutes. On the practical side, we're going to work on a hinging pattern on the single leg. So 6 each leg, single leg deadlifts. Make sure you have good form first, and then load it. Then you're going to pair that with 8 pullovers. You want those to be nice and slow, really pack that shoulder in and strengthen the lats. On the tactical side, we have 6 deadlifts on the with heavier weights, ranging from 75 to 85% of your 1 rep max. And then pairing that with 8 strict pull-ups. Nice and controlled, tight belly, tight hollow body position. Then we're going to finish that off with high intensity interval training today, with the goal of going hard, going fast, and then earning the rest. Alright? So we're going to do 3 rounds, 30 seconds on, 30 off, with jump lunges, plank to push-ups, and then a devil's clean on the right side, then a devil's clean on the other side. Then you're going to have a full rest, minute rest, counting that as one of your minutes. So at the end of the devil's cleans, when you're finished with both sides, you will have a minute and a half rest, and then you repeat again. Remember, we want to recharge and be able to be explosive. Be explosive on the jump lunge, be explosive on your devil's cleans, and then have solid control on the plank to push up. All right, guys, there you have it. That is the workout for today. And then here is the movement demos.